All right, this is a 2012 Ram Tipm replacement. First thing you got to do is unhook the negative side of the battery, and then you got to disconnect this hot wire that goes to that stud right there. And then you got to be extra careful on these plugs because you're reusing all these plugs. You got to lift this red clip here, and then you're going to lift this white bar, and it has to seat all the way forwards for the plug to come out. All these plugs they're all different, so putting them back together is pretty easy, except for these two. The one on the left is going to take the red plug, and the one on the right will have the white plug. This is where I got my kit from. Instructions are pretty simple, so we'll see. It's just a matter of plug and play. You just got to be extra careful with those plugs coming out. You don't have to do this, but I've put dielectric grease, in all these ends because this truck sits a lot, and I'm just trying to prevent some moisture from getting to it. All right, this is how it should look all plugged back together. Again, be really careful with these latches. They have locks that hold them open, and you have to defeat the safety just to get it to shut. So just like that. Okay, now I have reinstalled the hot wire, and then I just put the negative cable on. It says to leave it on for 1 minute. Okay, now it says turn the key on. Okay. Turn the key on. Do not start for 45 seconds. Check engine light will be solid, and it'll blink a few times before going solid again. This will indicate the procedure is completed. It was just blinking that solid. The next step is to zip tie both positive and negative terminals together for 5 minutes for a global reset. All right, one thing I just noticed is their lid does not have all of this displayed on where these fuses go, so you'll probably want to take a picture of that for future. Reconnect and start.